Looking for an affordable OLED TV with premium features? Samsung's 65-inch S85D could be your ideal match. Let's dive in and see if it delivers everything you need. Samsung brings a fresh aesthetic to the S85D, combining sleek minimalism with practicality. The contour design and matte black finish lend it an elegant look, while the thin profile helps it blend well in any room setting. This model features feet on either side, providing stability without taking up much surface space, ideal for wide entertainment setups. The narrow bezels and refined rear design make it a great option for wall mounting too. If this design catches your eye, check out the links in the description to learn more and find the best deals on Amazon. The S85D impresses with deep blacks and lifelike colors thanks to its OLED panel. While this isn't the QD OLED of Samsung's higher models, it's highly competitive with traditional OLEDs from other brands, delivering near infinite contrast for stunningly deep blacks and rich color. Equipped with Samsung's NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor, this TV upscales lower-resolution content effectively, ensuring sharp and detailed imagery across all sources. The 120Hz refresh rate, combined with motion accelerator, makes fast-motion scenes smoother, perfect for action movies and sports. HDR10+ support further enhances contrast and color accuracy in HDR content, though it lacks Dolby Vision, which some cinephiles may miss. Want more in-depth tech reviews like this? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Audio is surprisingly robust for an entry-level OLED. Its 20-watt 2.0 channel speakers incorporate Samsung's Object Tracking Sound Lite, creating a more immersive sound field that follows the on-screen action. Dolby Atmos compatibility adds a further layer of depth when paired with a compatible soundbar, creating a fuller soundstage. Adaptive Sound Pro tailors the audio output to your room's acoustics and even amplifies dialogue for clearer speech. While a soundbar would enhance this experience, the built-in audio is still a standout for casual viewing and gaming. What's your preferred audio setup? Built-in speakers or a soundbar? Drop a comment and let us know. The Tizen OS ensures smooth navigation with access to streaming services, Samsung TV Plus, and built-in Xbox Cloud gaming. The interface feels intuitive, but some may find the home screen crowded with recommendations and apps. Samsung's Solar Cell Remote is a thoughtful addition, powered by ambient light, so no more hunting for batteries. With Alexa, Google Assistant, Bixby, and AirPlay on board, it integrates easily with smart home setups. For gamers, it's packed with features like ALLM, VRR, and FreeSync Premium to ensure responsive, lag-free gaming. If you're enjoying this overview, give us a like. Let's break down the main strengths and areas for improvement. Cons: no Dolby Vision support. HDR brightness is moderate. OLED panel may be prone to burn-in with static content. Limited audio power in built-in speakers. Pros: excellent black levels and contrast. Wide color gamut for vibrant images. Low input lag with HDMI 2.1 ports for gaming. Multiple voice assistant compatibility. Solar-powered remote control. Ready to bring the Samsung to your living room? Check out the link below for the best Amazon deals. And remember to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated on all our latest reviews.